Here I have Honor 10 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the secret code. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to use the phone's dialer and let's use the following secret code: asterisk hash 28 46579 hash asterisk. As you can see, the project menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by typing appropriate options. Let's choose Restore Factory, and to accomplish the hard reset operation you need to tap OK. And right now the device is erasing all personal data, customized settings and installed apps, so your device is removing everything from your storage. Let's just be patient and wait until the whole process will be completed. As you can see, reset is successful, so now you need to choose shutdown and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, press power key to turn it back on and wait until the welcome panel pops up. Alright, the welcome panel pops up, so everything went well, the hard reset is done, now you may start activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.